Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unregister for app and game pre-registrations in Play Store. And now let's dive right in. Now to unregister for app and game pre-registrations in Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option at the bottom of the list, just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings, and again when you land over here at the top of the screen, you can see the general option, which is the first one. Tap on general, and again tap on the account and device preferences when it appears, which is the first option in the category of general. Tap on account and device preferences, and after landing over here, scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can find unregister for app and game pre-registrations button over here, where it also says tap to unregister for all pre-registrations notification. Tap on it, and again tap on unregister, and with that being done, guys, you will have unregistered for any app and games which you had pre-registered on Play Store before. And guys, this is how to unregister for app and game pre-registration in Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.